All right, so number 6 with the calculator is looking at this inequality, and we're going to find the solution set. The reason why it's not just x equals this and x equals that, it's a set, is because of that inequality symbol there. Okay, so it's going to be an interval answer. So here we go. First, we pretend that this says equal to 40. And just solve it like normal, okay? What do you want to do? I can do either one. Move everything to the left or move everything to the right. Left. Okay, so negative 4x squared plus 28x minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, from here, this is one that was very important. I think I might have made a simple error on this when we did bonus points, actually. It might have been in this period. It's all about this negative 4 can mess up your answers. You've got to be very careful with that. GCF out of negative 4 will give me x squared minus 7x plus 10. You with me? Okay. So breaking this up now into 2, I still have this negative 4, very important. What would these be? X what?
Minus 5, x minus 2.
Good speed. Okay? These are the factors. So right now, we're going to use this to test, bless you, this right here. We have one at 2. We have one at 5. We're going to test 3 intervals and see what signs we get. So now with me, let's plug in our first test point here and here. Okay? Please don't put up yet. What number are we going to test? We're going to test 0. Okay? So if I put 0 here, I'll get a negative. I'll get another negative. So there's a positive. Times this last one, I get a negative. Let's say we tested 3. Negative, positive. So negative, positive, and a negative. If I multiplied all that together, what would I get? A positive. Because I have an even number of positives. Or sorry, an even number of negatives. And the last one, if I tested, let's say 6, I'd get a positive, positive, and this negative 4. What would my sign be? Negative. And I'm looking for, when is it negative? Oh, not there. I want to say, when I move this 40 over, this ended up becoming less than 0. We want to know, when is that function negative? So you'd say negative infinity all the way to 2, union 5 to infinity. You with me?
Yeah.
Or you could say x's that are less than or equal to 2, and, you see what I'm doing, guys? X's that are greater than, no, not equal to, my bad, greater than 5. So let me change this equal to back here. X's that are less than 2, because these are my answers, and greater than 5. But there are holes in the graph because it never had equal to. It never had that. Yes?
Are there parentheses on the 2 and the 5 because it's not equal to?
Correct. If it was equal to, then there would be brackets here. But because of that, they are parentheses. Thank you for that question. Those would be your solution sets. And yes, this is multiple choice, so you could go and verify it and see which ones it would actually work with. Okay?